Let's do a little review. Well, this is more of an unboxing. I just got this adjustable boom microphone stand from a company called TONOR. As you can tell, $29.99 on Amazon right now. Here we go. A little bit of picture. I thought looking at the picture, pretty good price. Says it's all compatible with these. I personally have a Blue Yeti myself. Really like the microphone. And looking at the pictures, some pretty good reviews. I mean, 4.5 star, 4.6 out of 5, 10,000 plus ratings. Pretty good. Thought I'd give it a shot. Now, it comes in a pretty small box to my surprise. I thought the box was a little bigger. You got your typical instruction manual. Really not much there. Some pictures tell you how to put it on. The English section, as you can tell, is very small. First thing out of the box, it's our pop filter. It's a pop filter. Pretty nice pop filter. Just kind of clamps on to the arm itself. Yeah, nice clamping system. Supposedly helps you with your kind of soften your P's and T's a little. And it comes with a windscreen. So we can have the windscreen and the pop filter. Pretty impressive. All right. As we take it out of the box here. Oh, right there. This is the clamp. There we go. This is a very, very high quality clamp, believe it or not. Nice little logo there. That is a headphone hook. You can put a headphone there. Very nicely designed. Pretty easy to turn. Overall, my first impression of the clamp was very, very well done, especially at this price point. Here I am. Let's get the arm out of there, huh? Can they put this box on any tighter? Let's get this out of the way. Come on, box. Cooperate. Cooperate. Things just don't ever want to cooperate. Oh, look what we got here. Cable strap. A little cable management system. Pretty nice. Velcroed. And what is this? Ah, mic holder, which I won't be using since I'm using this on a Blue Yeti. And here is the arm. Spring-loaded cushion. Now, that must be where you put the mic on. Now, how the heck? Why is this not opening? Oh my goodness, it's a piece of paper. Come on. Tear the paper out. Tear the paper out. But as you can tell, pretty good quality. For, $30. Seems pretty sturdy. And now, as you can see, the boom mic arm is on my desk with my Blue Yeti mounted on there, along with the pop filter. It was pretty easy to put on. Just clamp it onto the desk, and you're ready to go. It's got a nice, decent range. The mic can also be moved to adjust to however you like your setup to be. Overall, this is a pretty great product. Hopefully, this video has helped to you in any way in your purchasing decision for the TONOR boom mic arm. Thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day.